Hello friends, this is Arun. I'm welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I'm just introducing one money making website which helps you to make some bucks online. Trust me, this is a genuine and legit website. They will pay you 100% guarantee I'm giving you. They will pay you and you can make money online if you work on a regular basis. Okay, the link of the site is given in the description of this video, and just click on that link. You will be directed towards this site. So interface of the site will be like this: start clicks, publishers, advertisers, sign in and sign up, helps and supporters. Okay, first you have to make an account on this site, so just click sign up. Then you will be taken to an interface like this: publisher sign up and advertiser sign up. Okay, you have to click on publisher sign up, not advertiser sign up. Click on publisher sign up, very important. And you will get a sign up form like this. You have to give your first name here, your last name. If it is initial, give it as initials, last name initials as last name, and your date of birth you have to give, your postal address, your city here, where do you live, your nationality. If you are Indian, give it as India, or any other country, give it as like you can select from here. Options are there. Then your zip code or pin code, whatever it is. Then your phone number. If you have a landline number, you can give it in international format like this. If you don't have a landline format, you can give the same number, mobile number, here and here as well. Okay, then you have to give your email address. You have to give here and confirm your email. Then you have to give a password here and confirm that password here as well. Then there will be a security questions will be here. Choose a security question. You can choose any one of these questions. Look at that, these many questions are there. You can choose any one of this question, and what is the answer, what is your answer, that you can enter here. And then there is another question: where do you find us? You can give just a friend or family, you can give. Then there is a column for referral ID. This is very important. You have to give this referral ID. Referral ID is 50616865. You have to give this referral ID, then only you will get a referral ID. So look at that once again: 50616865. Okay, very important that you have to give this referral ID. Otherwise you won't get a referral ID. You can't refer your friends. If you give this referral ID, you will get a referral ID. Using that you can refer your friends or any other members. Okay, then give this captcha code here. Then come down, you can see I confirm. Put this confirm box, tick here, then register. Click register. So that's it. Once you click register, your account is ready. Okay, once your account is ready, it will be like this. Then another step you have to, very important, you have to verify your mobile number and email address. After that only you can start working. Okay, so look at that, this is my account. Here you can, okay, once you verify your mobile and email address, your account is ready to work. Okay, here you can see this is my account. You can see my balance here, 23.64, and referrals 14.48. so every day, how can you next I introduce how can you work. So you can see here PPC ads. Every day there will be some ads. If you click on that, you can see some advertisement. If you click on this advertisement, it will open in another tab, and for each advertisement they will pay you $0.01. Look at that. So I just click, look at that, you can see that now it becomes 6.23.64. just click it and close it. That's it, that's your work. Then click here again. Now look at that, it becomes 66. So based on this advertisement you can make money every day. And also you can refer your friends, and you can you'll get a referral code here. Look at that, referrals. Through referral codes you can refer your friends or family members, and that also will help you to make some bucks here. Okay, so and about the payment section, I will discuss about the payment section. How will you get paid for this work? So look at that, you can see this payout here. Just go, payout methods can be seen here. Just select the payment methods here: PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western. It's up to you which method you want, you can select that. Okay, then minimum payout is given as $50. Here the available balance, you can see it is 23.6. when it comes to 50, I can give here the transfer amount and just transfer. That's it, immediately it will get transferred to your account. Okay, that's it. This is a genuine site. You can make on a day by day basis, you can make some bucks, and in your free time you can do it at any time. This advertisement will be alive in 24 hours. For each day's advertisement it will be alive in 24 hours. So you can click at any time you want. You can do it in from your mobile or laptop or tab, or it's up to you. Okay, hope all of you understood, and have a nice day. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I'm doing some more helpful, genuine sites, money making applications or sites. So please do watch and click on the subscriber button and click on the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.